Hello everybody, welcome to Kranthi Residential School Coaching Center for Sainik, RMS and Navodaya Entrance Exams. For details contact 9000 113737 9030 409797. Today we are going to discuss about the questions that appeared in the general knowledge section of RMS CET 2020-21 and exam date 19 September 2021 and myself Arunavi, the faculty of general knowledge. So let's discuss these questions which appeared in set B of the RMS exam which was conducted this Sunday. In this section, the first question was how many bytes are there in 1 kilobyte? It is 1024 bytes, that is answer is A. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. The second question in this section is where the UNESCO World Heritage Site Elephanta Caves is located. According to the answer key, answer is A. The Elephanta Caves are located in Western India on Elephanta Island. This island is also known as Garapuri. So this Elephanta Caves is located at Garapuri in Mumbai. The next question here is which metal is the lightest metal in the world? Its answer is aluminium. Aluminium is a light metal. It is a very lightweight metal, and we find these metal used in our day-to-day household utensils or uses. Okay, we use thin metallic sheets. Aluminium has variety of food. In our kitchen we use this material a lot, especially in the oven, the materials which we use in oven, and for covering some food to preserve them, this aluminum metal is used. So the answer for this question is aluminium. The next question in this category is why are leaves green in color? We all know that leaves are green in color because of the presence of chlorophyll, and this green pigment in plants, it uses light energy for photosynthesis. So the answer is due to the presence of chlorophyll. So answer A is correct here. Next, talking about the highest civilian award of the Republic India. We all know that we have different awards given to different categories. Here, with this question and the answers given, the correct answer is C, Bharat Ratna Award. The Bharat Ratna Award is considered to be the highest civilian award, and it is given in the field of science, arts, literature, and public services. These awards are given for the highest achievements made by any civilian. And in the year 2003, an amendment was done where the eligibility criteria and sports category was also included for considering the awards. That means in this category, Bharat Ratna Award, even the sports category is included in the year 2013. Moving ahead, we have the next question. Which is the biggest bone in the human body? The answer is B. It is the femur bone. This femur bone is the largest bone in the human body, and it is the strongest bone also. And this femur bone runs from the keen to the hip. And the next question in this category is what is a figure with 9 sides called? With 9 sides, it is nonagon. Answer is C. Nonagon is also called as enneagon, which is derived from the Greek word enneagonon, which means 9 corners. Here, the next question is what makes up approximately 70% of human body? The right answer is B, that is water. When you take up our body, our human body, it is made up of 50 to 70% of water. The 11 common elements found in human body and their total percentage of body weight, it consists of water. And the next question is, Olympics games are held after every, answer is B, 4 years. So Olympic games are held after every 4 years. The next question here is, which is the oldest landmass of India? It is the answer is B, answer is A, which is the Southern Peninsula. What is a peninsula plateau? It is one of the parts of Gondwana landmass which drifted away. Hence, the oldest landmass of Indian subcontinent is the peninsula, Southern Peninsula. Moving to the next question, arrange these states in the increasing order of the length of their coastline. Now, here in the options given, we have four states, that is Goa, Maharashtra, Kerala, and Gujarat. Now, we all know that Gujarat is the highest, largest coastline of India. Now, according to their length of the coastline, Goa shares 160 kilometers, Maharashtra is 652.6 kilometers, Kerala is 580 kilometers, Gujarat is 1214.7 kilometers. So, according to the increasing order of their coastline, it is Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. The correct answer is C. Now, talking about the next question, Lord Jagannath is considered to be a form of which of the following god? So, the correct answer is A, Vishnu. So, Jagannath, a form of god Vishnu or Sri Krishna. Okay, Sri Krishna is generally regarded as the avatar of Vishnu and is worshipped as Pita's Bhairava. So, Lord Jagannath is the incarnation of Vishnu. The next question here is, in the cricket, what does a yo-yo test means? The yo-yo test means, it checks for the stamina and recovery standards of the player. So the correct answer is the C, which is fitness level. The next question here is, where was Azad Hind Fauj established? This Azad Hind Fauj, which is also called as Indian National Army INA, was established on 21st October 1943 in Singapore, and it was founded by Subhash Chandra Bose. So here the correct answer is A, which is Singapore. Now, the next question is, who is the founder of Google? Google was founded by two people, Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Answer is A. What is the main ingredient of glass? The main ingredient of glass is silica. Answer is C. Here, the main ingredient is silica because it has the highest melting point of approximately 2000 degrees centigrade. It is possible to make highly specialized products from just silica as a halogen lamp or one of the materials that is used in the fiber optic cables. And the next question is, which flower is white in color? Here in this question, most of us will get confused between jasmine and lily. Actually, jasmine, it appears to be white, but it is not exactly white in color. It is pale yellow white in color. And whereas lily is in pure white color. So the answer is lily C. Next question is, which organ purifies our blood? Our blood is purified by the liver. Option C. Kuchipudi is the dance form of which state? Kuchipudi is one of the 8 classical dances recognized by India and it belongs to the state of Andhra Pradesh. So option C. What is the name of ISRO's new humanoid robot that will go to space next? Now, here the answer is A, Vyomi Mitra. This ISRO, which is also called as Indian Space Research Organization, has released a footage of its newest astronaut, which is a half humanoid robot named Vyomitra, as a part of its Chandrayaan 3 mission. So, ISRO will send this robo in the coming future. Which city is known as the Blue City of India? The Blue City of India is Jodhpur. Why it is called the Blue City of India? Because it is the second largest city in Rajasthan in India and also known as Blue City because the color gives an indigo aura to its entire surrounding around the Mehrangarh fort with blue colored houses. So that is why Jodhpur is called the Blue City of India. And the option is C. Now, the next question is which country shares shortest border in India? According to the length of kilometers of all the countries which shares its borders with India, Bangladesh shares approximately around 4096 kilometers, Afghanistan is 106 kilometers, Tibet shares 4000 kilometers, and Nepal shares 1752 kilometers of its border. So the question is asking which country shares the shortest border. Answer is A, Afghanistan. The next question. Which award ceremony was hosted live recently? Option A, Grammy Award. Grammy Award was hosted by the Trevor Noah CBS, and the recording of this award ceremony, 63rd annual Grammy Awards, was aired live on a Sunday, which was on March 14th, 2021. Who has been named in UN's 2020 list of young leaders? Our option is C. Udit Singhal. Udit Singhal is an 18-year-old Indian boy who was named by the United Nations in the list of 2020 class of young leaders for sustainable development goal. It is the highest profile recognition opportunity for the youngsters who are leading efforts on the world's most pressing issues. The next question here is which country is the largest producer of coca used to make chocolates? Answer is C, Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast is the largest producing of coca and it supplies over 30% of world coca beans across the world. The next question. Who won the US Open Men's Tennis Tournament 2020? It was won by Dominic Thiem. Answer is B. He won the men's singles tennis title at the US 2020 Open and it was his first Grand Slam title. He became the first player in the Open era to win from 2 sets down in a US Open final. The next question here is which of the following is the smallest continent? The option is A, Australia. Australia, in terms of land area, the continent is very small. It is approximately 2 lakh 20, 29 lakhs 67,909 square miles of distance. Samba dance is a famous dance form of which country? Samba dance belongs to the Brazil country. So the correct answer is A. The word samba, it refers to dance. Okay, Latin due dance, which origins from Congo and Angola. Today, samba is one of the most famous dance forms in Brazil and reaches the height of its importance during the festival of Carnival. The next question. Clove is obtained from which part of the plant? Cloves are obtained from dried flower buds. So the option correct answer is D, which is flower bud. Professor Amartya Sen received the Nobel Prize in which of the following fields? The correct option is economics, because the this award, Nobel Prize, was awarded to this Professor Amartya Sen uh, in the field of for because of his contributions in the economics. Who wrote our national song? Our national song Vande Mataram was written during the India's freedom struggle by Bankim Chandra Chattopai or Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So the correct option is A, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who created the legendary comic character of Chacha Chaudhary? Chacha Chaudhary is one of the Indian comic character, and it appeared in the comic book created by the cartoonist Pran Kumar Sharma. This comic comes in 10 Indian languages including English and Hindi, and this comic sold over 10 million copies. And also it has been made into a television series with Raghuveer Yadav playing the role of Chacha Chaudhary. So the correct option is B, Pran Kumar Sharma. Which country is the largest producer of gold? The largest producer and consumer of gold is China. China tops among all the countries. So the correct answer is D, China. Which is the secret intelligence agency of Israel? The correct answer is A, Mossad. Mossad is the secret intelligence agency of Israel, and it is responsible for intelligence collection, covert operations, and counterterrorism, as well as bringing Jews to Israel from countries where official Aliyah agencies are forbidden, and protecting Jewish communities. Which is the longest mountain range of the world? It is the Andes, option B. Andes mountain, which is in South America, is the largest mountain range in the world. What is measured by anemometer? The correct answer is wind speed, answer B. Anemometer is an instrument which is used to measure the speed of the wind, which is commonly used in a weather station. Where is Satish Dhawan Space Center situated? It is located at Sriharikota in India, and it is Sriharikota is in east coast of Andhra Pradesh. How many fundamental rights are there in Indian Constitution? There are 6 fundamental rights in our Indian Constitution, along with the constitutional articles related to them are mentioned here. Right to equality, Articles 14 to 18, right to freedom, Articles 19 to 22, right against exploitation, Articles 23 to 24, right to freedom of religion, Article 25 to 28, cultural and educational rights to Articles 29 to 30, and right to constitutional remedies, Article 32. What is Parliament of Japan is called? The official name of Japan's legislature is National Diet. So the answer is D, Diet. How many members are there in Rajya Sabha? The maximum number of people in Rajya Sabha is 250. So the correct answer is B, 250. Currently there are around 245 Rajya Sabha members, out of which 238 they represent the states and the union territories, and 12 are the special category members nominated by the president. Where is National Stock Exchange of India situated? It is situated in Mumbai, which is the financial capital of India, and it belongs to the state of Maharashtra. In which state is the ancient historical city of Lothal situated? We have come across the city Lothal in our ancient Indus Valley civilization, and this belongs to the state of Gujarat. To which religion is the word Tirthankara associated? It is associated with the Jainism. The correct answer is C. Tirthankara means is a savior and spiritual teacher of Dharma according to Jainism. The word Tirthankara signifies the founder of Tirtha, which is a fordable passage across the sea of interminable births and deaths. The next question is Bajrang Punia is related to which sport? He belonged to wrestling, and the option is C. Punia, he grew up in the rural India and he belonged to the poor part of the country. His family did not have money for sending him to traditional sports. So he had to partake in the free sports like wrestlings and kabaddi. And his father is also a wrestler, and from the young age he started with a local mud wrestling school. So he belonged to the sport wrestling. How many states and union territories are there in India after Article 370? After abrogation of Article 370, India has 28 states and 8 union territories. So the correct answer is C. So uh, here the 29th state is Telangana, and now it is 28 because Jammu and Kashmir has removed from states, and it has been added to union territories. So the union territories are Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Union Territory of Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Puducherry, Chandigarh, Delhi, and Jammu and Kashmir. And the next question here is name the mobile application recently launched by Ministries of Earth Sciences to help farmers. This project was taken up by our Indian government to help farmers. The correct option is Meghdut. Meghdut app allows farmers and interested users to access the advisories in a user friendly manner, and this is available the apart from crop advisory and all, it also uh, it helps with the weather and forecast, and the correct option is A, Meghdut. Between which two oceans do Australia lies? If you look at this map, the Australia lies between Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean. So the correct answer is A, Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. What is the full form of RAM in a computer? The full form of RAM is random access memory. Which color of light scatters most? Option is A, blue. Blue light scatters the most. In general, the scattering of light from some object depends on how close the wavelength of light is to the size of the object. For one important fact here, blue light scatters 9 times more than red light. So that is the reason sky is filled with more scattered blue light than red light. Thank you for watching us. If you like our video and our explanation, please like, subscribe and click on the bell icon to get our updates.